Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this very, very crucial, very important, highest priority civil justice sign off I'm providing for myself in front of entire human kingdom. I must get the civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines only, right? So that said, I will quickly read through this civil justice so that we all can be on the same page. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis' Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021, any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of USA of all nations worldwide can help me. So scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide. Republica at fault found guilty prostitutes of Republica government between 2016 and 2020 USA is at fault found guilty of fatal negligence prostitute domestic violence CIA leader Gina Haspel and prostitutes of Democrat government of the year 2020 and 2024 is at fault and found guilty of fatal negligence, prostitute, domestic violence, CIA leader David Hess Cohen. They created the enforced poverty disability to I, Vedapriya Prose on October 2018 for Republica government of USA prostitute to steal the rightful Supreme Court judge job on October 2018 belonged to I, Vedapriya Prose. So civil law must be provided now without any delay. So the scandal provided, the crime provided by the CIAs, right, regardless of Republican administration or regardless of the Democrat administration that got transitioned in the year of 2021, comes under the domestic violence and comes a breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation on injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass and chattels and types. So as of February 2021, I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, owned the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off. So at fault found guilty, fatal negligence, domestic violence, Republica, USA government between 2016 and 2020, President Trump, and FBI leader Christopher A. Wray, and GOP leader Mitch McConnell, and Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh. Then 2016 to 2020, there was a CIA Gina Hansel, and 2021 CIA David S. Cohen created robocall poverty mandate with fatal negligence, and with fatal negligence failed to educate. USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate to, and by default created the Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced a poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and a Republica government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,000 plus since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today to I, Vedapriya Prose, and also enforced finance disability to I abruptly. And it is a crime for Republica prostitute at fault found guilty USA Republica government between 2016 to 2020 prostitutes CIA Gina Hansel, and year 2021 Democrat CIA prostitute Democrat CIA David S. Cohen created robocall poverty mandate is proved, and when ruling USA never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to I, Vedapriya Prose. So civil justices, I, Vedapriya Prose, want Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,000 plus in full and sign off tax-free $5,000, and USA Republica prostitutes, Republica or Democrat USA government between 2016 to 2020 and 2021, the prostitute CIA Gina Hansel and prostitute CIA David S. Cohen of USA government created robocall poverty mandate with fatal negligence, created deadliest robocall poverty mandate. So each CIA must sign off tax-free $500,000 billion times 2 will be 1,000 comma followed by 3 zeros billion dollars to be direct deposited in my bank account for all types of damages done and by selfish, cunning, Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs types, wild endangered species, and hell creators, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republica government of USA will provide the needful help accordingly to be in the same page. And I hope we are all on the same page, my dear fellow mankind. Yes, I must get the civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. Talk to you later. Take care. Bye for now. Have a good day.